What's up, guys? I wasn't planning on recording any of this. I've just been prepping the engine for paint. Decided to take a little detour and try and get all the carbon off the top of the pistons. As you can see, this side's pretty bad. I haven't touched this side yet. But over here, looking a little better. So what I ended up doing was I used Seafoam, which you would think that would actually do really well. It didn't do anything. I let it sit for hours, basically like half the day. Came back, didn't get anything off. So I tried WD-40, just letting it sit, did like a piston soak overnight, and it actually ended up, as you can see, it actually ended up working really well. But I think I can do better. So I went ahead and picked up some of this Mopar combustion chamber cleaner. I don't know if that's gonna focus, but I tried every parts store. No one had it. I had to wait till today, Monday, and wait for the Dodge dealership to open up, and they had one can left. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a shot and see if we can make these look any better. So now what I did end up doing though is I let the Seafoam sit for, like I said, half the day. Didn't scrub on it, I just took the blue shop towels, rubbed it off, because you really don't want to mar the top of the pistons at all. Didn't do much, like I said, so I let WD-40 soak on it for a good hour or so, cleaned it, let it sit for another hour, cleaned it up, and then let it soak overnight, and this was the best that I could get. So now what I want to try is, I did some research, and that Mopar stuff is actually supposed to be really good. So what I'm going to do is let it soak on the top of these for probably a good half hour, 45 minutes, and see what we get. I'm going to get the camera set up and we'll get after it. Well, I hope this angle works. This is the best I could get. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just spray the top of the pistons. And like I said, we're gonna go ahead and let that soak for about a half hour, 45 minutes. Now from what I was reading and also what the can says, it's just like Seafoam. You spray it in through the intake while the engine's hot, let it soak, and then it'll burn off. Right now, obviously it's not at operating temperature. It should still work if I let it soak for long enough. Now you might be able to do a piston soak overnight if you pop your spark plugs and spray just enough down in the cylinders. Now you may have to do your own research and look into that. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not saying it's a good idea. It might be worth a shot looking into it though. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit and hopefully it works. Alright guys, first half hour is up. From what I can tell from just right now, it doesn't look like much has really happened, but hopefully underneath is a different story. And soak some of this up. I do recommend wearing gloves. It's not a good idea to get this stuff on your bare skin. So as of right now, the WD-40 actually did a better job at this stage. Maybe I didn't use enough, so I'm gonna soak these again. Probably let it sit for, I don't know, maybe another 20 minutes to half hour. Well, another 20 minutes has passed, so here's round two. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little bit more scrubbing off camera just because this is super boring, I'm sure. So hopefully when I turn it back on, they're shiny-ish.
2 hours later.
Here we go guys, not too bad. I'm actually really happy. Let's see if I can get my flashlight out. They came out really good. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I am happy with this. They don't look brand new, but not bad at all. Now it did take some love. What I did was I took the Mopar cleaner and put it on a rag and went to each individual piston. I kind of went back and forth because I don't know if it's from cheap gas or what, but that shit was on there. Do a little comparison over here. This is the Seafoam side. Well, Seafoam and WD-40 side. So I will definitely be using that on this side for sure. I'm actually really happy. Just a quick little video that I thought you guys would enjoy. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below. And always, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great night.